Traveling to Japan soon? Take advantage of the current JR Pass now. As we know from October 1st, 2023, the cost of the Japan Rail Pass will increase by around 70%, turning the pass into a much less attractive product than it currently is. The old pass will remain on sale until September 30 and can theoretically be used until early 2024. How to take advantage of the old JR Pass pricing before October 1st, 2023. There are two ways to use the current JR Pass pricing before the October price increase. First way is if you purchase the pass through the official website. You have to select a starting date for your pass within 1 month of purchasing it. So, if you were to purchase it on September 30, you could still use the old rail pass from late October 2023 into November at the latest. Second method, recommended if you plan on your trip being somewhere between November through February 2024. If you purchase the pass through a travel agent, you get a voucher, which must be exchanged to the actual pass in Japan within 3 months of purchase. When exchanging the voucher, you can select a starting date within a 1-month period. In other words, if you purchase the pass on September 30, you could theoretically exchange the voucher in late December, select a starting date for late January, and then use the pass into February 2024. By following these steps and strategically planning your travel, you can make the most of your JR Pass before the October 2023 price increase, saving money on transportation during your trip to Japan.